Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. This video that I'm sharing with you today is for both students and parents. So parents, you're going to have to help your kids to log on to the Pearson website. So that's why I wanted to show you just how to do that, because next week I'm going to be starting to post some assignments through the Pearson website. So I wanted to show you how exactly to log on. So you can see my screens on the Armstrong School District homepage. So that's where you'll need to go first, asd.k12.pa.us. From there, you're going to click on Parents, Students. You can scroll over that, and then you'll scroll down to where it says Links, and you're going to click on that. When that pops up, there are quite a few links here, but you're looking for Pearson Easy Bridge, which is up towards the top. So I'm going to click on Pearson Easy Bridge. And that's going to bring up a new page where you're going to go ahead and type in your username and your password. So students' usernames are their 99 numbers, and your child is, I'm sure, does not know their 99 number. But you can, if you don't have that information, you can look it up on Skyward, or I can get that information to you if you let me know. Send me an email or message me through Remind, and I will get you the child's 99 number. So once it signs in, it's going to bring up access to both our reading and our math series. As of right now, I'm not posting anything on the reading series, just on the math. So there will be math activities to do. So you'll have to click on the one that says Envision Math 2.0, and that's the first one. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and that's going to bring me up another tab. And you'll see it's very kid-friendly. Now, when you first log in, your page will not look like this. It'll ask you to select your language, your little avatar up here in the corner, and then you'll have to click Next. Now, you only have to do that the first time, and then every other time it'll come up like this. And if you ever want to change your little avatar, you can in the settings up here. So you can see it says, Hello, Chloe, and this over here is the Explorer. We're not really going to use that. We're going to click on the My Work button. Okay, and then from here, all that you're going to need to access is the assignments. You don't need to worry about these other two buttons. And it'll come straight up to the assignments, and your assignments for the day will be posted over here. Our first assignment will be on Monday, and Mondays will be just to watch a video that is going to introduce our topic 12, and you can play that after you play the video of me teaching the lesson. Every other day, when we're doing an actual lesson, there will be these quick checks. Now, this is not an assignment that you have to do, but I wanted to put one in here as an example. That way you could log in at some point, maybe between now and Monday if you have time. And so I created just like a fake assignment from one of our first topics. And you do not have to do this assignment. It's just for you to kind of get an idea of how to use the web page. So you can see it says keep going. I logged in as Chloe before and was checking it out myself for the first time too. So it saves your progress. Otherwise, it would say start assignment. But I already started this one, so you just click on keep going, and it picks up right where you left off. So you'll have to click on the blue check mark there. And each quick check is only 5 questions. Now you can see since I already started this one, it comes up with this. Usually it would go straight into the questions, but since I did not finish it, I have to click View Questions, and that'll bring me up, and this is where it will typically start you. Now what's nice is you don't have to read any of this to your child. They will click the play button up here at the top, and it will read the question to them. So I'll go ahead and do that so you can see what that looks like. All right, so hopefully you could hear that. That was the computer reading which shows 2 cats. And you don't have to click on the bubble. You don't have to click on the letter. You can actually click on the 2 cats right there. So if I would click the wrong one, you can see I'm just clicking on the cat. I don't actually have to click on the bubble. So it should be pretty easy for the kiddos to do. And if you have a touch screen, that makes it a little easier also. All right, once you're done with that one, you come down here and you click the next button. And it'll take a few times for the kids to get used to it, but I think they'll catch on quickly. So I go up to the top again, I press the play button. Okay, which shows 1 hat. They would have to choose. Again, you can click right on the hat. You don't have to click on the button or anything. So once you're done, then you would just click the submit button, and that will actually submit their answers to me, so I'll be able to see how they did. So this should be an independent activity. Each one is only 5 questions, so it shouldn't take too long, maybe 10 minutes. And that'll be just a good way for me to help me understand if they understood the lesson that I taught to them. That'll give me a little bit of feedback. And it's not paper and pencil, it's all on the computer, so there's nothing you really need there. Take you back up to the main screen here. And like I said, once you're done with the questions, it'll submit your answers to me, and I'm excited to see all the progress and see how you did. So hopefully that gives you an understanding of how to log into the website. And again, if you need your 99 number, please let me know if you don't have that. And the password is student for everyone. So that assignment I'm going to keep in until Sunday. I'm not really going to look at that one. That's for you to kind of mess around with and get used to using, but it's good review if you want to have your child complete that assignment. And like I said, on Monday, the first assignment will be posted on here. So you'll watch the video, the math video that I post first, and then you can get onto the Pearson website and do those short assignments. Okay, so I hope that helps. And if you have any questions, please let me know. All right, guys, have a great weekend. Thanks. Bye.